Namaste everyone, kindly come up on your mats, sit comfortably with your back and neck straight and very gently close your eyes. Start observing your breath. Watch the natural flow of your breathing as you are inhaling and exhaling. Make sure that your body is correctly aligned. Your face, neck and shoulders should be relaxed and your spine should be straight. Slowly begin to deepen the breathing. We'll be chanting Om 3 times followed by 3 Shantis. Inhale deeply for Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Observe the vibrations. Join your palms together and rub your palms together. Keep them on your eyes. Very slowly, while blinking and looking at your palms, begin to open up the eyes, start coming back with a smile. And namaste to everyone. We welcome you at Himalayan Yoga Association. I am Yogini Soumya and I will be conducting your session today. So today we are discussing a very interesting topic, which is the types of meditations, right? So you guys would have heard of a lot of types of meditations that are going on these days. There is a lot of variety out there. Whichever one you prefer, you can go and practice that. But there is an overall broad categorization of the types of meditations, and those come in only 2 categories. One is passive and one is active. Okay, so passive meditation is more about setting up your space and taking out time separately to meditate during your day. Okay, so most of the times when you talk of meditation, this picture comes up in mind. You know, somebody sitting on the mat with the eyes closed and just being with the object that they have chosen, right? This is the general picture that comes into the mind, right? That you are taking out time separately. There is a lot of silence and peace around that person. There is no noise. You need to look for a separate place. You have to take out time separately for doing meditation. So this is the general idea that most people have. So this is the passive form of meditation, where you are not engaging your senses, right? You're choosing to shut off your senses and you are trying to connect with your object. Passive meditation is a great meditation technique for beginners. Okay, so in the beginning you cannot go for active meditation, right? Meditation is actually just a way of living. You are just changing the way in which you live. But a beginner is very easily distracted by the sense object. So it is important for them to take out the time and the space to do some meditation, right? Then we come to the active form of meditation. This is an advanced level practice if you are doing it correctly. Okay, so active meditation is mostly about engaging your senses while you are doing meditation, right? So very famous example of this is the dynamic meditation given by Osho, or walking meditation, right? So in these meditations you don't shut off your senses. You are merely changing the way in which you are doing your day-to-day activities, and you are deliberately involving your senses while you are doing them. So you deepen your experience through the senses, right? That becomes your active meditation. Eventually all types of passive meditation come into active meditation only. Why? Because it's a way of living, like I told you. Meditation is not something separate. Okay, so eventually it seeps into the way in which you conduct each and every action, and that becomes a form of active meditation. And active meditation techniques generally are very advanced techniques, right? So walking meditation, it's a very advanced technique. Dynamic meditation everybody can do, right? But still, if you do it properly, it is quite advanced, right? It requires a lot of patience and a lot of time and properly engaging yourself in the meditation, right? So guys, all the meditations that you do, you can categorize them in these two boxes only. So next time you go for a meditation, choose the meditation depending on your personality type. Passive meditation is more suitable for people who prefer to sit quietly. Take out that time, okay? But some people, they cannot sit for longer periods of time. They do not enjoy that activity. So they can definitely go for active meditation so that they can at least motivate themselves to continue their practice. So let's end today's session then. Keep your back and neck straight and gently close your eyes. We'll be chanting Om one time, followed by 3 Shantis. Inhale deeply for Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join the palms together and rub the palms together. Keep them on the eyes. Very slowly, while blinking and looking at your palms, begin to open up your eyes, start coming back with a smile. And namaste to everyone. Thank you so much.